Hey everyone. Welcome back to Auto Lab. Today, we're diving into an iconic car reborn of the Tata Nano 2025. The Nano was originally known as the world's most affordable car. Tata's new model promises to carry that legacy forward, but with a twist of modern flair and tech. The Tata Nano 2025 is all about reimagining simplicity with a touch of sophistication. Tata Motors has given it a refreshed, compact design that's perfect for navigating city streets. It's still small, but with a more streamlined look and updated LED headlights that give it a smart, urban vibe. The new Nano has also been widened slightly for better stability and a roomier feel inside. Now let's talk power. Tata's Nano 2025 is likely to be available in both petrol and electric versions, which is exciting for budget-conscious city drivers. For the electric version, you can expect a decent range that's perfect for short commuters, so likely around 150 km per charge. The electric variant will support fast charging, allowing you to get back on the road in under an hour. For the petrol model, expect efficient mileage, as Tata focuses on maximizing every drop of fuel, making it a great option for those who want low-cost daily drives. Inside, the Nano 2025 has received some impressive upgrades. Gone are the minimal interiors. Now, you're greeted with a simple yet modern dashboard that includes a digital display. The infotainment system has a touch screen, supporting Bluetooth, USB, and maybe even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seating has been upgraded for better comfort, with quality fabric and improved cushioning. Tata has really focused on making this an affordable car that still provides a comfortable experience. In terms of safety, the Nano 2025 has come a long way from its predecessor. Expect dual airbags, ABS, EBD, and a stronger body structure that's designed to meet modern safety standards. This makes the Nano a safer choice for families and daily drivers looking for an affordable car. So, who's the Tata Nano 2025 for? It's aimed at urban drivers, college students, first-time car owners, and anyone who needs a reliable, budget-friendly way to get around the city. It's a car that gives you the essentials, with a few perks, without breaking the bank. On pricing, Tata is likely to keep it highly competitive, especially in the entry-level segment. If you're looking for a smart, practical, and stylish ride without splurging, the Nano 2025 is going to be a game changer. That wraps up our look at the Tata Nano 2025. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you drive this modern twist on an icon? Thanks for tuning in to Auto Lab, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest in automotive news.